Today is Memorial Day 2025, May 26th, I believe. The beehive is very active. That's the bees in front of the entrance, coming and going. And they're also using the upper entrance. But, okay, so I'm going to open it and do a bee inspection, the hive inspection. Alright, let's see what the sugar situation looks like. Oh, a lot of bees. A lot of bees are very active in the feeder. They have consumed a lot of sugar. So I think I'm going to see if I can take the feeding box off it together with the inner cover. There's way too many bees there to disturb. The inner cover is completely purpleized. And the spider, I see a spider there. Alright, and the cover is loose. Okay, it's coming off. Came off together with the feeding bottles. Alright, what do we see? Box is in the shadow, which is not good. Let me move the camera. See these all on all frames. There's more in the original 3 frames that were that had comb in it. So I need to know how much comb they built. This is amazing. Bees are very calm. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna give them a little smoke. But since I already got my friend. Okay. This frame is not no combs, but plenty of bees working on it. Frame number 1 from right to left. Please go down to the frames. Very good. number 2 getting built. Okay, combs. Okay, so let's see. Looks like they are spreading out. I see one column which is okay, but all over the frame. This frame number 2 from the right. They start to build out evenly, and on this other side, facing the outer box, they also start to build evenly. Very good. Just starting. Come on. Hang this off here. Alright, there's the frames. I'm going to just move them along. Frame number 3 is the one that's gonna it's a medium. Hey, and it was a full wax foundation base, and they started to build up in one day. And this side is facing the wonky comb size, and they're starting to build very nicely. So obviously wax frames is winning, and I'm hoping they will build drone cells at the bottom so I can remove them for aurora mite reduction, population reduction. These are very gentle. They don't mind me working the hive. So this frame has a lot of raised combs on one side, major column right there. So I'm not gonna do anything about it. I don't know what to do with this. This frame has fruit on, and it's what might look like a queen cell. So over here, what do I have? I see honey being stored, and wonky combs all over the place. Hopefully the other frames will be better. I see a lot of honey stored, so I might put this one on the edge. Yeah, mostly honey. Mostly honey. I'm gonna put this one all the way to the right. So basically I'm gonna put this down, because the wonky combs can use the space towards the wall. I think it's probably the best thing to do. This first one becomes the second one, and the fourth one becomes the first. So you can store honey. And I'm gonna just remove some of the crazy extended comb. Yeah, we don't need those. They can rebuild. And this one, I think I'm gonna remove those. This one as well. Alright, excuse me, bees. I will remove this one. Oops, sorry. Wow. You guys not happy I'm doing this? Is this the good of the hive? You know all about that, right? The sacrifice for the good of the hives. Oh no, that's not good. I feel like I'm killing you guys. Alright, so that's what you have there. I will leave you alone. that one, third one would be, that would be the third one. First and third, so I'm going to remember that. Alright, that's not working.